Hello everyone, it's Mr. Allen here for our second Golden Ticket Assembly. It's Friday the 18th of September and we're looking this morning at our reception Year 1, Year 2 and SRB children who have won a golden ticket. So let's find out in reception who that is and who they are. Let's see. This one's for being so brave in the morning, saying goodbye to Mummy. She's also making Miss Arnold proud as she's trying new foods including apples during snack. This golden ticket goes none other than Lily. You see Lily? Well done Lily, you superstar. I'll be bringing this golden ticket around shortly for you. Well done. And then maybe a treat, some sort of snack as well, which you can take home and enjoy with your family after you've had your dinner tonight. So really well done Lily. Look at you there, trying your apple. So proud of you, hun. Huge congratulations. Take this home and I know Mummy will be really proud of you as well. Well done. Moving on, here we go. Shark class, look at this, shark class. Fantastic imagination, including all children in his play, and he's made a fantastic start to reception. Well done, Toby! Look at, there he is, look at that. Yes, Toby, that's amazing, well done, buddy. Look out for this, all right? And there'll be some nice chocolate treats as well. You better take home, share with your family after your dinner. Please do enjoy them, and really well done. A great start to reception. Well done, buddy, proud of you. Moving on, here we go. Year 1, look at this. Miss Marshall's class. For listening carefully, reading at home, and excellent handwriting in all lessons. For a Year 1, that is brilliant. Well done. Golden ticket goes to Alex. Here she is. Look at that. Look at Alex. Look at her there. She's got her pencil, listening carefully, reading at home. Look at that handwriting. Alex, that is amazing. Absolutely superb writing. Well deserved, hun. Look out for that. I'm going to bring it round this morning with your chocolate treats. Really well deserved. Proud of you, Alex. Fantastic, good girl. Moving on, here we go. Look out, Miss Begum. She's been working incredibly hard with her maths and writing. She's super focused during writing and has excellent magnet eyes and concentration, which is really important when we're doing our Ruth Miskin, when we're doing our sounds. So really well done. This goes to Scarlett, you superstar. Look at her. She's absolutely there doing her maths as well, doing all those bits, putting those counters in. Following the rules, working hard, reading 5 times, helps others, in school on time every day. You superstar, well done Scarlett, that you really deserve this. And please do enjoy those chocolate treats with everyone. And even maybe Nanny might get one, hey? We'll see, all right? Well done, hun. Moving on. Year 2, look out, Miss Howkins. This week's golden ticket goes to someone who's tried extremely hard in our new class routines, especially within maths. She's worked brilliantly in partitioning 2-digit numbers using 10s and 1s and partition them in different ways. Amazing maths. This goes to Lilith. There she is. Look at that. You can see huge smiley face. Well done, Lilith. Great 10s and 1s there. Really good to see that. So really well done, Lilith. Well deserved, hun. Keep it up and look out. And I'll be bringing around your golden ticket today to take home with your chocolate treat. So really well done, Lilith. You superstar. Moving on. Mrs. Cook's class. Look at this. Sums it up really simply for super hard work, trying hard, and great focus. Mia May, you superstar. Look at you, hey? Big smiley face down at Forest Schools as well. Really working hard down there as well. But everything you are doing, super hard focus, great focus. I can ask for no more. Thank you from Mr. Allen. So really well done. I know Mr. Cook is really chuffed as well. So enjoy this. I'll be bringing it round later on today. Well done, Mia May, you superstar. Moving on, the final one this morning is for our SRB. Now, look at this, Mr. Hardman saying she's been to school every day this week and has worked really hard, growing in confidence, and many other new children look to her as a good example. And that's all Mr. Allen wants. Someone who's a brilliant example for the other children so they can copy. And that's exactly why. Emily Ann, the golden ticket goes to you, you superstar. Look at that. Look at you sitting beautifully there. Working hard all week, great example to others. Look at you working so hard and 100% attendance. Well deserved, Emily. This is coming to you today with a nice treat as well. You can share with your brothers as well and sisters, so really well done. Huge congratulations. Well done to all of you golden ticket winners. Finally, from me, it's just to say well done to all the golden ticket winners. So good. And everyone else, please look at those children and copy them because those are the children that win the golden tickets. If you copy them, it's exactly how to win a golden ticket. And finally, obviously, enjoy the weekend. We'll see you all on Monday with nice big smiles as well after the weekend. Bye-bye, everyone.